I'm at the Thai Yoga Center in Brooksville, Florida. I just completed the Northern Style Thai Yoga August 2023 certification. My name is Stephanie Haas, officially Khru Stephanie Haas. I am a teacher in the SomaVeda system. This has been a wonderful experience to add to my professional catalog, to add to the therapies that I can offer my clients, community, friends, and family. SomaVeda has changed my life in the most magnificent ways. It has helped me heal physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. I recommend this practice for everyone who has breath in their body, from the first breath of life to the last breath. Be well.